Thank God it's Friday. Welcome back to Grandma Cat's Corner. Today we're going to talk about the seasons. Winter, fall, spring, and summer. You know, there's other seasons also. There are seasons in our life. For everything, there is a season. Some are happy times, others sad. Some are productive while others seem wasteful. Some inspire peace and others bring pain. All of them are necessary for us to learn and grow. Although new beginnings are preferred over endings, we should remember that every new beginning requires an ending. With every crisis comes a choice to resist or to accept, to respond in fear or in faith, to say yes or no. As with the seasons of nature, these stages cannot be rushed, and they require whatever time it takes to pass through them. We all prefer our life changes to occur smoothly and naturally, but when they come at us with all the force of a perfect storm, we can remember that these are intense opportunities for transformation. If we respond to each storm from the eye of God's presence within, we will come through even stronger, wiser, and freer than before. We will be transformed. The things we go through in life are not in vain. Our situations will not last forever. Our circumstances will change. Whatever God takes us through has purpose, perhaps to deepen our faith or to help us achieve a breakthrough. We will enter a new season that brings relief, hope, or a deeper sense of faith. God will bring us through to better days marked by comfort, love, and new life. Regardless of what we face, God is in control of all of the seasons, whether natural or within life. Before I close, just know that in every battle, there is an end. Someone wins. Let it be you. Get through this season with the sword of the Spirit, faith, and prayer. Win. 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 Have a great weekend. And I'll see you guys next Friday. Bye.